तो हम आज पढ़ेंगे हाउ डू यू यूज द स्प्लिट ऑपरेटर। स्प्लिट ऑपरेटर को हम लोग यूज कैसे करते हैं जावास्क्रिप्ट में। इन जावास्क्रिप्ट द स्प्लिट ऑपरेटर थ्री डॉट होता है मेनली is used to expand element of an iterable like an array into places where multiple elements are expected. Some example देखते हैं combining array const ar1 equal to 1 2 3 ar2 4 5 6 const combined array triple dot array1 triple dot array2 console.log combined array output 1 2 3 5 6. Example 2 copying array const original array 1 2 3 const copied array original array console.log copied array 1 2 3. Example 3 passing elements of an array as argument to a function sum xyz return const number 1 2 3 console.log sum triple dot numbers. In this example 1 shows how you can concatenate arrays using the split operator. Example 2 demonstrate how to create a shallow copy of an array. Example 3 illustrates passing elements of an array as individual argument to a function. The split operator is versatile and commonly used for its ability to easily manipulate arrays and function argument in JavaScript. It totally based. We learn about the split operator. Next video we will learn about the what are modules in JavaScript. Okay, I think this is fine for now. We will talk later. Next video. तब तक के लिए धन्यवाद.